Erika did. Erika did. Wow. Erika. Erika. Yeah. Erika the baby. Kitty. Kid warrior. Guy. Your kid. Oh, guys. So huge. Erika.
My heart is beating. Hi, I love you.
I know, but not tonight. Unfortunately, I know. We have to be compassionate. We've got to be there. They are exhausted, and we need to give them a bit of time to rest. But we needed to make sure that they calm down, and you all saw them. And I know that indeed.
I love you. And as a very small platform, coming from a very small country inside. I don't think anything could have prepared me for what I saw today. Thank you. That's what I was going to say. Thank you so much. For waiting for me. Thank you for everything you guys have done. And I love your country.
We love you.
And I can't wait to explore. I'm going to see this as my vacation also. I'm going to explore and I'm going to make videos, I'm going to promote Sierra Leone.